Decided to do a deep clean this evening because we've had some construction projects going on around the house, and that's allowed a lot of dust to accumulate in the air, which has gotten on everything, such as this fan. As you can see, it's just raining down on the rug below. Gross. That's what's on the brush. Dust everywhere, so the entertainment center needs to be cleaned. It's glass, so I use my glass cleaner on it. It's nice and streak-free again, finally. Leather conditioning wipes. I use these for our leather furniture. They do a nice job getting any dust up and just kind of making the leather feel nice and smooth again. My son spilled milk or something here and didn't tell me, so got that cleaned up. And this chair is super old, and I worked on that for just a little while to see if I can get any of that old stuff out of it, which looks a lot better. Time to wipe down all the wood furniture as well, and the fireplace, and also mopping behind the couch just because snacks happen. Here's all the dust that fell off the fan. Went ahead and vacuumed the whole rug, vacuumed under the rug, mopped under the rug. So much better. Everything feels a lot more fresh and back to normal again finally.